Welcome to the channel, guys. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So today I am in St. Elizabeth. Yeah, man, close to one place them call them Billy's Bay. Billy's Bay, man. Yeah. So I'm giving a tour across that side and show you what I go on. We're going to St. Elizabeth after the hurricane passed Jamaica. Yeah, man, a lot of people get damaged in the area. A lot of people. Yeah, man, a lot of people. Remember, right here, you didn't have the beautiful Billy's Bay sign. So, guys, welcome to Billy's Bay. Big up on yourself. Anyone who watch from here and abroad, you can big up on yourself. On the #1 tour guide, Fire Reid, taking you all to different places in Jamaica after the hurricane pass. Yeah, man. So leave in the comment section and tell me what I go on. Kind of a bit overcast and thing. So you know, so the video quality is not gonna be as bright as possible. So just understand and see what I go on. You see how the area look. St. Elizabeth, Billy's Bay. See a lot of zinc all over the place, so I don't know what that's supposed to mean. A lot of people lose them house top. Yeah, man, a lot of people lose them house top, you know. Big up yourself, Rasta. Long time I watch it from way around, so I'm coming up. So you tour place just like a Fire Reid, you know. So all the people who come to Jamaica in that area, you see what the area look like. This is a fishing community also. A lot of fishermen in this area. You know, say close to the Billy's Bay beach. Yeah, man. people. Me look for one side of the on the left side. You're not gonna really can't get to see over there, but me I tell you say roof them gone off of the house. The roof them mash up. Mash up. You know you have to have some privacy. You can't show the people them house like that, so there's a lot of damage take place in that area. A lot of damage take place in Billy's Bay. I tell you, say, normal, a lot of people are going through it right now. See up on the house top there, people, they might fix up them house. See if they can set back their roof. Watch them people, watch the people them house top gone. First time I'm there, so I couldn't see the sea. And I can see all over the sea you know. Is this real? Yeah man, it real, St. Elizabeth, it real. This is the left turn that take you to the Billy's Bay, the fishing area. Everybody put them boat up far enough, secure them, you know. Watch and pray. Yeah man, watch and pray. Thanks for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.